Jai Hind Defence aspirants, I Vivek Pandey, welcome you back in Target Defence Forces. Friends, results of NDA 2 2021 as well as CDS 2 2021 are out. Heartiest congratulations on behalf of the entire Target Defence Forces family to those candidates who have cleared these examinations. If you are the person who have cleared the examination and are looking for a platform for your upcoming SSB preparation where you can practice on daily basis, so my dear friends, let me tell you one thing, you are at the right place. Must watch the video till the end, you will surely get benefited. क्योंकि इस वीडियो में by the end we have also shared the experiences of those candidates who are the part of Target Defence Forces daily practice platform and how they are practicing over here, how they are improving their personalities, how they are working on their loopholes. They have shared their experiences. Must watch till the end, you will surely get benefited. Before starting the video, let me tell you one thing that Shaurya and Abhishek, who have recently got recommended for NDA 147, now have made their position in merit list also. And I'm proud to share this news because they were the part of daily practice platform of Target Defence Forces. So the classes are conducted in such a smart way that you need to practice on daily basis. Like you need to send lectures on daily basis. You need to send news on daily basis, that to one national, one international, one defense news. You will be the part of group discussion only if you will be sending news and lectures, else you will not be allowed to participate in group discussions. There are Zoom sessions carried on daily basis the night time. It is something around 1.5 hour class. That is very effective sessions because all like-minded people are there. You will be able to see their experiences as well as you will learn from the answers of others that how confident they are, and if you are not able to express yourself, you will be learning from those people, right? And here we conduct PP and DT sessions also on regular basis. और उसकी हेल्प से मैक्सिमम कैंडिडेट्स आर गेटिंग स्क्रीन इन, क्योंकि यू माइट हैव सीन दैट ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 75 to 80% कैंडिडेट्स आर गेटिंग स्क्रीन आउट इन द फर्स्ट डे इटसेल्फ, बट यहाँ से मैक्सिमम कैंडिडेट्स आर गेटिंग इन हाउ वी प्रैक्टिस ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस with those like-minded people as well as with those groups which will give you a competition over there, right? You will understand how to deal with those people over here. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऐसे लोग भी स्क्रीन हुए हैं, the one who have got a screen out for continuous 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 7 times. The one who have got screen out continuously for 7 times, they have got a screen in from this platform. So I will suggest you, if you are a person who struggle in a spoken part or who feel that yes, you are having the quality but you are not able to express yourself well, you need a daily practice platform. So you are at the right place right now. Now coming towards the criteria that I have told you in starting, that what is the criteria to be the part of Target Defence Forces, there is only a single criteria that you have to be 100% committed. If you feel that yes, you are a serious candidate and 100% committed to become an officer, then please share your details in the provided WhatsApp number, rest I'll be taking care of. Now here are the glimpse of some of the candidates who have shared their experiences, who are the part of Target Defence Forces. Must watch the video till the end.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Swapnil Singh and I am here to share my views about being with Target Defence Forces. I have been a part of Target Defence Forces for less than a month, but I have seen a lot of improvement in my personality. Firstly, talking about the lectures and also the PPDT, the most important part for the screening, right? The most important part was the screening process, and in which I am gaining a lot of experience, a lot of confidence rather. It is the main part through which you can, prove yourself in the upcoming stages, of course. So my view about Target Defence Forces is a really positive one. And I have seen, as I told, a lot of improvement in my overall traits. I have seen a lot of improvement in my lecturate part. I am speaking rather fluently as I used to do before. And I have seen a lot of improvement in my overall personality. So I would urge to join Target Defence Forces if you have a sort of dilemma whether how would you practice. The thing you need is the perfect strategy, and that is what Target Defence Forces gives to you. So come and join Target Defence Forces for being a better version of yourself. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Anu, a defense aspirant like you. So friends, I am part of Target Defence Force from last few months. I am here to share a brief feedback on my experience. So friends, what different I found in Target Defence Force? It's the day when you join to the day you have SSB. You have full access to Target Defence Force. We get chance to join multiple PPT sessions where we get to know how we can tackle the fish market that we see in the SSBs, and we have our sir who assesses us that where we can improve ourselves in narration part or discussion part. Now coming to the interview and psych, so we have multiple psych and interview assessments. We get lecture topics every day that helps us in enhancing our knowledge. It helps us in GD, it helps us in interview and also for the lecturate. Now coming to GD, so we get different GD topics every day that we discuss with our group members. We get to know the different perception of the same topic. Now coming to the class, we have everyday class. It's more than 1.5 hours where we get chance to discuss our doubts, and we also get to know the information about all the tests and how we can perform it well. So friends, all these all together helps us to gain a lot of confidence to appear for the SSB. So I wish you also get a chance to join Target Defense Force. Thank you.
A very good morning to all my friends. My name is Karthik and today I am going to share with you all my experience with Target Defense Forces. I am preparing for NDA as well as TS SSB interview and I got to know about Target Defense Forces through YouTube. I got myself enrolled in it and I found it to be very beneficial and useful for me. I've found many changes in my personality and in my speaking and confidence after getting myself enrolled in it. Sir conducts daily PPT sessions, which is very useful for me as it gives the actual feel of the SSB to me. Also, with the help of daily lecturates that we have to send, there has been increase in a majority of increase in the knowledge and also in my speaking skills and vocabulary, and I found it to be very useful. Also, there is daily GD group discussion sessions in the group, and because of which it creates an atmosphere of learning among the students, and I get to interact with other students, and it is very useful for me for getting the actual feel of SSB, and I found it to be very useful. Also, sir also conducts many mock interviews for us on the Zoom sessions, and I have found it to be useful as it tells me about my preparation and how much prepared I am and what are my weaknesses, and I discuss it with sir, and sir tells me the ways how I can tackle it and improve them. So I would like to urge to all of my friends who are preparing for SSB interview to take guidance from sir, as it would prove to be very beneficial and useful for all of them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Jai Hind to all of you. My name is Akshata and I am from Target Defense Forces family. I have been part of this family since last 1 month and mine is AFCAT entry. Talking about preparations, here you will get daily PPDT and GD practice sessions which will improve your discussion and narration part, and I can also see this improvement in myself since last 1 month. And also here we have to upload daily lecturate and news videos which focuses on general knowledge part, which is very much required in the SSB procedure. And also there are daily Zoom sessions which helps us to clear our doubts and gain confidence as well. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Amandeep Singh. I am preparing for SSB. I have chosen online platform that is Target Defense Forces. Through Target Defense Forces, I have learned a lot, as in the morning session there are PPTT sections and which are very beneficial, and in the afternoon also we are having PPTT sections. We practiced a lot, and also the Zoom sections, the interview sections taken by Vivek sir, which are very beneficial for the individuals. For I personally recommend you to join the Target Defense Forces, as it is the best online platform to learn new skills and new techniques how to crack the SSB. Thank you.
Very good evening to all my dear friends. My name is Sandeep and today I am here to share my experience and changes in me which I realized after joining the Target Defense Forces. Friends, on the first day when I am enter on this platform, I saw the many videos that are uploaded by the different candidates, and I found that the candidates speak the very fluent English in which. So I realized that my English is poor, not so good. So I asked the question to the teacher, how can I improve my English? These candidates speak very fluently and I'm judging here. Then the sir told me that you don't need to judge yourself to anyone, and also give me an example on here. and told me that you need to be the regular basis part on the lecturate and the news session also. Your English is improving then, and that is effective for me. And then I be the part of regular lecturate basis. I make the multiple videos on it and upload it on this platform. And after a couple of weeks, I realized that my English is now improving. And for the news regular news sessions, I realized that I'm updated with the nature, and I updated with all the news, that all the activities that are happened in the country. And after from this, I be the part of the regular PPTD sessions also, in which I found first of all I found that my story writing is so poor, and not to be the practical. And after the couple of weeks, that I found and I realized that I'm improving myself. And in this platform, for the help of this platform, I improving on myself. On my story writing is that I asked the question to the sir, how I can write a very good story. Then the teacher told me that you put yourself on a place of hero that you found in the picture. So I put myself on the place of that hero that is present in the picture, and I realized that what the type of task that I can perform here practically. So I make a very good story. After the 2 weeks, I screen in here also, and I experience a lot very good. I'm improving on this platform myself. And after this, regular Zoom sessions are also held here, that I also attend these sessions, and I have a chance to interact with the different candidates that are be the part of the SSB. And here I am interested, and this is a very knowledgeable session for me. And so many questions that are found here, I which I help me a lot in the interview. And here I found that I need to work on myself, and I need to know myself more. So this is my experience on the TDF and Target Defense Forces platform. And I also say that this is not a coaching, this is a family. And here all the candidates that are available to you, and that is also be the ready to help of you. And this is my experience on the Target Defense Forces. And also I hope that this is helpful for you all. And thanks to all my dear friends to listen me be carefully and attentively. Thanks to all.
So friends, it was all about it. I wish you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please do like and share it as much as you can. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel right here, right now. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get updated. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.